After doing this, I've never spent any more money. Do this, and you'll never have any more problems. To start this tip, let's take 300 ml of water and add 2 heaped tablespoons of coffee. Normal coffee. You can add the coffee powder or use the grounds after you've mixed and blended the coffee with the water. Just take a container of your choice. It could be a glass one. It's even better. I learned this tip from an uncle of mine who lives in the countryside, and he had this annoying problem that many of us have at home, so he gave me the recipe. Once you've put it in the container, take some cooking oil and pour it over the water and coffee before adding the oil. You can let the coffee sit for about 5 minutes. Then after you've done this, take a milk cap or a cap from a plastic bottle. It doesn't matter if it's a soda bottle or a water bottle, it just needs to be a plastic cap like that. And pierce the middle, make a medium-sized hole, take a length of string, cut a piece that size, and try to pass the string through the middle of the hole in the cap. Let's make the string like a wick. It's a bit of a pain to get the string through, but it'll be worth it in the end. Take the cap with the string and position the tip down to make a support for the string. It will look like this, like a candle, so just take a lighter and light the string. Now all your problems will be over. But what problems are they anyway? Those problems with mosquitoes, gnats, stilt walkers, I don't know what you call them, but everyone knows that these little buggers are terrible. Nobody likes them when it's so hot. They take advantage of this. They come to attack us and they don't stop. If you don't have a good insecticide, you do very badly. But here I have a great insecticide, made with ingredients we all have at home. I doubt you'll suffer from mosquitoes after this tip. This works on many insects, even cockroaches. Since there's oil in the mixture, the wick won't go out anytime soon. I'm sure it won't get anywhere in your house. It's important to protect yourself from mosquitoes. They transmit diseases including malaria, elephantiasis, and yellow fever, not to mention dengue, Zika, and chikungunya, which circulate throughout Brazil. Finally, just place them in strategic places where there are lots of mosquitoes and insects. They will soon disappear from your home. They can't stand the smell of burning coffee, so they get in there. If you liked this tip, please like it and send it to your friend who lives in the middle of the bush and his house is always full of bloodthirsty mosquitoes. If you're in a rush, on the bus, going to work, or coming back, save this video to watch and do later. It'll help you. That was today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.